I'm excited to have it back. Tennis in Jamaica is always, for me, it's always a really nice experience because I get my family and friends out to watch. That's something that they're not really able to do when I'm competing the rest of the time because I compete mainly overseas. So having everyone here to support me, it's one of the best feelings you can have. I'm also just happy for the atmosphere around tennis in Jamaica to be positive, to see people coming out to enjoy the events. We haven't had this in a long time, so it's good for the sport, for them to be hosting this tournament. So it's also, I think the same thing for me to participate in.
And you're playing in the event. Clearly, you're the top seed, and a lot of pressure. Top seeds have to win a tournament, right? Your thoughts on your competition so far, your matches so far, and your chances. All likelihood of you walking home with a major trophy on Sunday.
Yeah, I know I'm the top seed, but I'm just taking it one match at a time. My main focus is just to win tonight, and then I figure out when the next match is and to try to win that one. I only take it one match at a time, so I don't know. I haven't looked too far down the line, but I'm just looking forward to tonight.
So far, we have had a wonderful tournament. The showers has not affected play. Maybe 15 minutes today, and earlier in the week there was one day that maybe we started an hour late. The matches have been very exciting. Some of them lasting longer than expected, but give thanks we have reached the quarterfinal stage, and we're hoping to conclude that by tomorrow, Friday, where we're planning to play all the semi-finals at Tennis Jamaica, beginning Saturday morning on 2 courts. So we have 12 matches, 12 semi-final matches, and then on Sunday we have the 6 finals. So all in all, we're doing very well tonight. For argument's sake, we have the number 1 seed, Randy, going up against Rodriguez, which is the top half of the draw, and Yusuf Migoko going up against Dwayne Miller in the second match up there in the top half. Tomorrow we'll have Damian Johnson squaring off against Ian Pagan, which is going to be a fantastic match.
Yes, that should be a cracker. Should be a cracker.
Johnson, as you know, was a former All-Jamaica champion. And
both are former collegiate players
as well. So it should be a cracker. So all should come out. That match is scheduled for on the schedule for around 7 o'clock tomorrow evening.